When a window opens, I will find myself gravitating outside, preferably into the depths of nature. A compendium of research reveals immersion in the natural world reduces anxiety, promotes healing, improves vitality and attention span. If we are not in proximity to this environment, even viewing scenes of nature has been shown to have positive effects. Today I'm running a disconnected neighborhood route to intentionally traverse as many trails as possible in less than 9 miles. The famous French impressionist Claude Monet shared, "My wish is to stay always like this, living quietly in a corner of nature."